Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sapan Matre and today I am going to talk about some common myths about tarot. The first myth is that tarot is evil. This is the most funniest myth I have ever come across, because when you are using tarot cards for either guidance, for meditation or for professional readings or personal readings, you are using your intuition. You're getting connected to your higher self, intuition. How can your own intuition be evil? How can your own higher self be evil? So this is the most biggest myth I have ever come across for tarot. The second myth that I have come across is that tarot is to be learned only if you want to do professional readings. Well, let me beg to differ over here. Tarot, I have participants who are professionals as well as absolute freshers who know nothing about tarot except that it has cards in it. Tarot for professional reading, yes, it really helps, because when you are giving guidance to someone, tarot really helps to give you a lot of insights. It helps you to explore layers which are there to a particular question, and it opens lot of things which are not in awareness. So definitely that way tarot helps. Whereas there are times when I have participants who are not professional tarot card readers, but they have always come back to me and said that it has helped them tremendously in their careers, in their personal life, because they always take guidance from tarot to find out, whenever there is an obstacle or whenever they need extra support, and it has really helped. The third question that I normally get about tarot is, what is the difference between tarot cards and angel cards? So in angel cards there are around 44 or even more cards depending upon who has made the deck, and in tarot cards there are 78 cards. In angel cards normally you will find that there would be certain details given in the image, and in tarot cards there are normally only images and the name of the card at the bottom. So this is what is a major difference between the angel cards and tarot cards. Both are extremely good in terms of reading. However, when it comes to certain questions, tarot gives a better insight, and tarot is more on the face. It will give you very clear cut, crisp answers, and angel cards are more gentler and sweeter. One of the myths that I was really surprised to listen to is that you cannot combine angel cards and tarot cards for doing a reading, and because somebody said angel cards are of higher vibrations and tarot cards are of lower vibrations, that's absolutely untrue. Whether we use angel cards or whether we use tarot cards, we are getting connected to our higher self, our intuition. So how would combining them, or how would one deck be of higher vibration, the other deck would be of lower vibration? When we are connecting, the end source that we are connecting to is our higher self, God, Goddess, guardian angels. So if you ever want to combine angel cards and tarot cards and do a reading, professional or personal, just go ahead. It's absolutely all right. Another myth that I normally hear is, that tarot is difficult. Well, tarot is definitely not difficult. I have seen people, participants in my workshops with zero knowledge about tarot, doing absolutely great readings, accurate readings, and adding so many layers to their reading that it really surprises not only them but everybody else around them. So tarot is not difficult at all. It is just about practice and tuning into your intuition. So these are the common myths that I have normally found and heard about tarot. Tarot is an amazing tool to connect to your intuition, to get guidance for yourself and others, and just go ahead and explore the beautiful tool, and you will see that it is so much fun, to use tarot for everyday life. This is Sheetal Sapan Matre. I hope you enjoyed this small video on myths about tarot. Thank you so much.